Engineered in-house from the ground up to be the strongest, most durable wheel end solution, TTX wheel hubs consistently deliver superior performance and maximum uptime. Whether they are facing rough roads, heavy loads, extreme heat, or a salted street, TTX hubs maintain their performance characteristics longer. For police and first responder vehicles that must always be ready to serve, for taxis, rental cars, and fleets that need to go that extra mile, for working vehicles on the job site or on the road that need to withstand extreme loading forces, and even for weekend warriors that want some off-road fun, TTX hubs have the power to work harder and perform longer, no matter what you throw at them. Mevotech engineers analyze OE part wear patterns and typical failure points to create a superior solution that far surpasses the original. TTX wheel hubs include everything needed for a quick and easy install in one box. Where applicable, mounting bolts and axle nuts are also included, as well as hardware torque specification. TTX wheel hubs are the engineered wheel end solution.